Howdy folks, Mudflaps here. This video you're gonna see me unload the Baler. The first load coming from North Carolina. The crew is still down in North Carolina, so I was there unloading but pretty much by myself. Mr. Pandy, Wes's dad, showed up later on and helped me a little bit, and we got her unloaded and everything. I also tried a little time lapse on my phone. I got me a new phone, so you enjoy, and I'll try to keep making videos. Howdy folks, Mudflaps here. Got my first load from North Carolina coming back up to New Jersey, July. I'll set you guys up here and take a short video of myself unloading the tractor. The crew is still down in North Carolina, so I'll be unloading myself. Let me set the camera up here and y'all watch me unload. All right, folks, got Mr. Pandy. Wes's dad got me loaded. Look at that. Straight as an arrow right through the side there. Load number one going to mushroom barns. Tell you what, Mr. Pandy's got good eye. Old tractor, good eye. That's all we need. See you next time around.